2010 Ford F-150 Lariat 5.4 liter V8. Got factory converters there and there. Then we true dualed it with 2-inch pipe all the way back. He wants it to clap right there, and then into 2 1/4 tailpipes right there and right there. And then 6-inch rolled tips right there and right there. That's how you true dual them, boys and girls. Hope you guys like it. I'll let you guys hear in a second. Is the decibels on it? Go ahead.